Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of Selector Sub and Crowpath. Welcome back. Here is a very exciting and time saver feature which you all needed from the beginning and were always asking that can we save the XPath and selectors value in Selector Sub only, so that like if we need to change in anything in new XPath or we have to create some XPath and we wanted to save, then we all were wasting time like copying value from the Selector Sub, pasting it in Notepad, then again come back, write a new XPath, then again paste that, save that somewhere, then again come back. So they all were like wasting a huge amount of time. So to save that time and to make it more capable, Selector Sub, here's a new feature. We can save the value in Selector Sub only, and for this I really thankful to my friend Tony, and he is already a patron and supporting Selector Sub, so he suggested this feature. So yeah, here it is. It's very simple and straightforward. You have already Selector Sub installed in your browser, so just open Selector Sub here and you will see that there is a plus button now here. So it's saying that save selector in list. So click on this. As you will click on this, it will show you a pop-up and will request you to be a patron. So this feature, as we need more support for Selector Sub, so I have made this feature as a patron feature. So please be a patron and support Selector Sub, because now we really need the fund to run this free forever for everyone and to grow more. So please be a patron. On being patron, you will get a key from me. That key you will have to paste it here, so that unique key you will, on being patron, you will get from me. Paste that key here, press enter. After pressing enter, you see that footer will go away, so you will have the better view, and this button will also be active. Now let's say you have some XPath value or something you are writing over here in this box. Let's say while creating some XPath, you created this kind of XPath, okay, and now we created this you want to, before editing something, deleting something, earlier you were copying this value, then going back to Notepad and pasting it over there, right? But what we can do it here now, that directly you can click on this and value will be saved here. If you click on this, it will be available here. Like let's say you have written some CSS selector or something else, you want to save this, click on this, it will be saved here, and whenever you want, you just click on this here and it will appear. If you want to edit, now you want to edit any of these, click on this, it will come here and you can start editing here. So this is really incredible feature and it will save tremendous amount of time. And then once it is saved in your local, whenever you will open that Selector Sub, your value will be saved and you can anytime fetch that value in Selector Sub. So whenever you will click that will be available over here. And as you want to save more values, you can keep on saving. So up to 10 values you can save it here, and whenever you will, like next time, even if you will close the browser and you will reopen the browser, that value will be saved in your local. So it will save a huge amount of time and will make your task easy. Like whenever you want to edit or fetch that same XPath which you have written last time, that you can do it here, and this will save definitely quite a good amount of time, and this will make your task easy. So this is really helpful. Enjoy this feature and be a patron, support Selector Sub, share Selector Sub with everyone. If you got any feature request or anything, feel free to let me know. I'm more than happy to add that feature, and it will make more capable for you as per your requirement. And I would request you, please rate Selector Sub and support Selector Sub, let everyone know about it. And if you have any comment, any feature update, any request, or if you find any difficulty while using Selector Sub, please let me know in the comment section. I would request you, please rate Selector Sub here, give 5-star rating as per your if you find it useful, please share your review, share your thought, and yeah, definitely it is going to help you a lot. This feature, please let me know about this feature, how much you like this feature, and how it is going to help you in your day-to-day work. Thank you so much.